healthy Mediterranean diet is easy to follow with tangy balsamic chicken breasts, whole grain pasta, a fresh salad, and a fruit-topped dessert are on the table. Let's get our salted pasta water on right away so it's ready when we need it. Now we can season the chicken breasts and brown them along with the onions in just a little bit of olive oil. This will take just about 3 minutes aside. And it's time for our quick braise. The tomatoes, balsamic vinegar, and dried herbs go into a pan. We'll bring them up to simmer and let them cook for about 15 minutes. So now we can drop in our pasta and make the dressing for our salad. It's super simple and oil-free. We'll just whisk some plain, low-fat yogurt with lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and some fresh herbs. This tastes great over crisp romaine leaves. The braising ingredients have reduced into a nice sauce and the chicken is cooked through, so it's time to plate up. Let's start with a bed of our whole wheat pasta. A whole cup is just 175 calories. We'll top it with a piece of chicken and cover everything in this tangy sauce. Serve our salad on the side. We've got a hearty meal that tips the scales at just over 400 calories. Which leaves us plenty of room for dessert. A nice slice of purchased angel food cake, topped with strawberries, drizzled with just a little honey, and at just about 170 calories, it's the perfect sweet ending. Our dinner is done! Our braised balsamic chicken menu is simply 600 and simply delicious.